Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over restricting web app access. I'm currently in the New York Times, on the home screen. And if you notice, it seems like I have access to every single article. But if I click on one of these articles and begin to read, you would see that I immediately get kicked to a paywall. This is pretty much because the landing page or the home page is unrestricted, but every page beyond that, or I guess the article pages, are restricted, meaning that a user has to be authenticated. They have to have access to view said page. All right, let's leave the New York Times and just hop over back to the Inhouz Cloud platform. I'm currently in the app builder, and we currently have our demo application open. This application has two pages, one that is unrestricted and one that is restricted. All right, and these are just two pages, as you can see in the page manager. So, for this application, we would like users to have free reign on page one, but when they go to page two, we would like only users who are authenticated to have access to page two. All right, so let's go ahead and deploy this application and see what it looks like in the deployed environment. So if I open up the live site and navigate to the development environment, you can see we can navigate to page one and page two without any restrictions. So in order to create a wall effect on page two, all we need to do is go into our app settings and scroll over to the app access section and basically turn on the restrict app access switch. So now we've updated our settings. We just need to go ahead and save our app settings. And then what we're going to do is that we are going to just go ahead and save this configuration and launch our app back to the development environment. Now that we've launched successfully, we can refresh and click. And as you see, we still have free reign on both page one and page two. So merely restricting or turning on app restriction or access restriction did not restrict the pages. To restrict the pages, we would have to specify what pages we want restrictions and what pages we would like to restrict rather. So we would like to restrict our special content page. All we need to do is just go into that page and scroll down to the security section and see where it says restrict page access. Turn that on. And just like that, this page is restricted. We're going to go ahead and save this. Now, within the app builder, all pages are accessible regardless of the restrictions, okay? But if we go ahead and launch this application and go over to the deployed environment and refresh, when we try to go to page two, we do need to have access to be able to see page two. So now we have successfully restricted access to our application. Now, before we move any further, let's just take a step back and look at what we did to start. Restricting app access. There are two restriction types, subscription and password. Now, a password restriction is simply just a password. You set a password for the environment in question, and users would be required to enter the password to gain access. Everyone in this case will be required to use the same password, and this is obviously less ideal when it comes to secure applications. Now, the other restriction type is the subscription, and this is basically user-based access where each person that has access to the application would need to be signed up to the application, and they would need to sign in to the application to gain access. And this right here, is connected to the Inhouz subscription management module where you get to create your subscription services and then connect them to your applications. In the next videos, we're going to discuss all things subscription management, how to restrict access, how to grant access, how to, configure plans, applications, monetizing applications, metrics, and everything in between. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.